Hi everyone! I'm Riri, and on this video, samahan mo ko sa practice session ko for freediving with Swim Central. Plunge dive dito sa may Ortigas kung saan tayo magpa-practice session for the freediving. So, practice session lang to, kaya siguro mga around 2 to 3 hours lang. Tapos, actually yan, naka-ready na ako ng damit. And medyo umaambon yun, no? So, ang kagandahan sa city dive is kahit na pabago-bago yung weather, pwede ka pa din makapag-practice ng diving or kahit intro to freediving kasi nga indoor naman to. So actually, madami na rin mga bukas na mga establishments dito, no? May mga may Uncle John's, tapos may mga Korean Mart, and then may mga kainan na din, and then milk tea coffee shop. So madami na kayong pagpipilian. Ito kasing spot na to, itong space na to is meron din mga call center companies, kaya madami ding tao dito. So, hindi kayo magugutom sa lugar na to. Okay, done with the practice session and nakauwi na ako, no? So, sadly, hindi ako masyadong nakakuha ng video clips dahil medyo shy type ang beshi walk ninyo. Pero, meron lang ako mga mangilan-ngilan na clips na nakuha dun sa mismong venue. Sadly, wala akong underwater shots kasi hindi ako nakapagdala ng action camera. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na more on kwento ang gagawin natin dito sa portion na to ng vlog. Okay, so dahil nga kwento-kwento na tayo dito, bilisan na natin tong portion na to. Just a reminder again, this is a practice session. Hindi po ito yung freediving session with Swim Central. Ano yung difference ng intro to freediving tsaka yung practice session? So, nakapag-intro to freediving din ako with Swim Central. I will put the link nung experience ko with them. So, ayan. Yung intro to freediving, that is for 2,000 pesos plus 400 pesos na pool fee. Yung pool fee, it will vary kung saan kang venue. Yung sa akin sa may Plunge dive sa may Ortigas. So, that is 400 pesos pool fee. Ngayon, yung dun sa 2,000 pesos, ang inclusion nun ay coach fee, Tapos, gear rentals. Ang kagandahan dito, hindi mo kailangan bumili kaagad ng snorkeling mask, ng fins, ganyan. So, kasi included na siya dun sa 2,000 pesos. And then, total duration ay 3 hours. So, yung first hour for theoretical. So, ito yung kung paano yung relaxation, breathing, ganyan. Tapos, yung 2 hours nyo naman for actual na. Ito na yung equalization, yung duck dive, ganyan. So, yung practice session naman, yung fee ay 1,000 pesos. Tapos, again, 400 pesos na pool fee. So, yung inclusion dun sa 1,000 pesos ay coach fee. Tapos, meron tayong gear rentals, which is yun nga yung fins, tsaka yung snorkeling mask. And then, yung total duration ay 2 hours. Wala nang theoretical, no? So, 2 hours na equalization and duck dive. Tapos, with coach feedback. So, ito na yung i-correct ka dun sa proper duck dive and kung ano yung mga for improvements. Okay, so how to book naman with Swim Central in case you are interested na mag-freediving, intro to freediving, or practice session. There are 5 easy steps. Number 1, go to their website ng Swim Central, and then select the freediving lesson. Actually, they are also offering other swimming lessons, no? So, piliin niyo yung freediving, and then select the location and time slot. So, meron silang mga available na merong morning, tanghali, or evening. So, depende ko ano yung schedule na mag-work sa inyo, and yung meron silang other location din available. Yung sa akin, yung pinili kong location sa may Ortigas, yung the Plunge dive. So, ayun. And then, number 4, send payment. So, payment first, no? And then, last step is message them on their social media account or send them yung proof of payment niyo. So, pwedeng via social media account or via email. Ayun. So, as easy as 5 simple steps. Okay, so next naman, how's my experience with Swim Central? Just a background, no? Bale, nag-try na din ako sa kanila ng survival, yung swimming lesson for survival, tapos intro to freediving, and then itong practice session. So, madaming beses na rin ako or madami na rin ako na-avail na services ng Swim Central, and masasabi ko talaga na very approachable, very friendly yung mga coach nila. Second feedback is, if you will book schedule with them nung weekend, expect mo na madaming tao. Kasi, ayun nga, madami silang iba pang lessons na ino-offer or madami pa silang iba pang services na ino-offer. Meron silang survival, swimming lesson, then freediving. So, kapag ka-weekend, expect mo talaga na madaming students din for specific time slot na napili mo. Pero, ang good thing with them is that organized sila. So, hindi naman kayo yung tipong magkakatamaan kayo with other students. Especially kapag kayo mga nasa freediving, no? Tipo, meron kayong pins. So, hindi naman to the point na matatamaan mo yung ibang mga estudyante, ganyan. So, very organized naman sila. Okay, another feedback. Siguro kung magta-try ka na kahit solo ka lang, for example, wala kang mahagilap na friends, ganyan, huwag kang mahiya kasi very friendly nga sila, and surely meron kang makakasama na doon sa session na ibubook mo with them, no? And I think that's an opportunity, that could be an opportunity for you to meet new set of people, friends, kasi probably the reason why solo ka doon na nag-book with Swim Central is because wala kang mahagilap sa mga friends or sa current circle of friends mo. Wala kang mayaya sa kanila na mag-try ng free diving. So, ayun, that could be an opportunity para magkaroon ka ng new set of friends na merong same interest, which is yung free diving. Parang uuwi ka, matatapos yung session mo nang meron kang kakilala. So, meron ka ng next na mayayaya na mag-free diving. Like, kung nag-intro to free diving ka, meron kang mayayaya na mag-practice session or mag-try ng open water na free diving session. So, ayun. Okay, so lastly, at first glance, it may look expensive yung free diving. Lalo na yung itong intro to free diving, no? Kasi parang kung mag-i-intro to freediving ka, sabi natin gagastos ka ng 2,400 kung sa same location as like Swim Central, then Plunge Dive. Tapos, hindi pa kasama doon yung transportation mo and yung para sa food. So, nakakapagod ng freediving, kaya I'm sure after ng 3-hour session mo, magugutom ka, kakain ka. So, di ba, medyo parang pricey siya kung titingnan or expensive. But, bear in mind that you are paying for your safety. And, malapit sa vicinity, no? Kasi within the city, yung available location, hindi mo kailangan pupunta ng Mabini, Batangas to try the intro to freediving. Ayun, so you're paying for your safety. Yun yung kailangan mo i-consider, that you are paying for your safety. Kaya kailangan meron kang coach, kasi freediving is considered as a extreme sport, no? So, dapat talaga, hindi ito yung kagaya lang ng sports na pwede kang mag-try or, alam mo yun, yung bida-bida lang, bibo-bibo ka lang, YouTube lang, gano'n. So, better if you will really want to try freediving, mag-take ka ng intro lessons para yung basic, and then you have a coach na trained for safety, mga ganyan. So, worst kung ano man yung experience mo or whatnot, someone will be there to help you, and ayun, basta yun, safety. So, that's it. Hopefully, may natutunan ka on this video, and if you want to try freediving, you may want to consider booking the services with Swim Central. So, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye!